Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We will be comparing the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the DJI Mini 3. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is priced at just $69, making it a budget-friendly option for beginners or those looking for a drone for casual use. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 comes with a higher price tag of $798, but it offers advanced features and professional-grade quality. So if you're willing to invest more, the DJI Mini 3 might be worth considering. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture better aerial photos and videos. It also offers FPV transmission, which means you can see a live video feed through a smartphone app. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 takes it up a notch with 4K HDR video and the ability to capture details in both highlights and shadows. It's perfect for those who want stunning imagery and crystal-clear aerial shots. Battery life is always an important factor to consider, especially for drone enthusiasts. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable and powerful batteries that support up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to enjoy longer flights without worrying about running out of power. In comparison, the DJI Mini 3 offers an impressive battery life of up to 38 minutes, giving you even more time to capture breathtaking shots and explore the skies. Moving on to features, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone offers some fun and user-friendly options. It has altitude hold, which helps maintain the drone at a certain height, making it easier to control and capture high-quality footage. It also has 3D flips and Waypoints fly, allowing you to perform impressive aerial maneuvers and draw flight courses on your smartphone. Additionally, it offers voice control and gesture selfie, making it a great option for those who love taking selfies with their drones. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 offers features like true vertical shooting, quick shots, and resistance to 38 km/h winds. These features enhance your overall flying experience and allow you to capture unique and dynamic shots effortlessly. Based on online reviews, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is praised for its affordability, compact size, and beginner-friendly features. Reviewers mention that it is easy to control, has entertaining flips, and offers impressive value for the money. However, some reviewers note issues with calibration and the app. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 is highly recommended for its fantastic camera quality, advanced features, and professional-grade performance. Reviewers highlight the improved signal range, battery life, and overall flying experience. It is considered a top choice for those looking for the best image quality and advanced features. And there you have it, the comparison between the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the DJI Mini 3. Both drones have their own strengths and cater to different needs. If you're on a budget and looking for a drone for casual use, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a great option. However, if you're a professional or someone who wants the best image quality and advanced features, the DJI Mini 3 is the way to go. Remember, always consider your needs and budget before making a purchase. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Until next time, happy flying.